Hello. This is Hooked on Fishing, back with technically our second video, but posted would be the first. Our first ever video, woodworking, kind of got taken down. So today I'm here at a lake, and I am going for bluegill. The reason is they're out here. Some of them are out. My dad caught a really fat one. I'll put it up on the screen for a minute there. But he got a really fat one. I'm a little jealous. So I'm gonna try to catch something. But I got this new pole. I can't say it's like Realtree, but I got it. It's it's 56 bucks on the dot, but that's not counting tax. I got it at Walmart. So it's gonna get pretty bad at casting just because it's 6-pound test and it's really light line. So it's not gonna be the best casting because I'm using kind of like a minnow right now. Technically you should be using this for crappies, but I don't got anywhere to catch a crappie. That literally just hit their dock. Oh my gosh. This pole can cast really good. The reel's nice. It's not like a cheap reel, it's like a good reel. We're just getting a lot of weeds right now. Man, it is beautiful out here. I'm actually gonna put on my polarized sunglasses here. Helps me to chill out with the sun. Oh, that was a nibble right there. Hoping that I can get a fish on video. If not, I might film another video today when I'm at a family relative's house, but when I get back to my house, I'm probably gonna walk to my local lake and fish off the bridge there, because I've caught a lot of fish down there in that lake. Where'd it go? I don't know. Sorry, I keep on looking behind me. There's a lot of weeds, believe it or not. We actually might change out lures. We might actually change out lures though. So I lost my balance there for a minute. So this is a strength rod. It's pretty good rod, not gonna lie. Okay. Yes, we are actually gonna change out we're gonna change out this lure. So I will cut and I'll get back to when I am done changing this lure.
One eternity later.
Alright, so I'm actually gonna use these. I think I'm gonna use this blue. Hear me out why. I think it's just gonna be good in the water and stuff. It's blue and black. Let me get one out. It's perfectly blue and black with a whole bunch of sparkles. Like, that screams eat me for some reason. So I think I'm gonna do that. I was thinking about using one of these lizards, but I think I'm gonna do this blue worm. And maybe I might throw out the green worm. I don't know yet. I've not decided that. But in my tackle box, you've already seen my crappie setup. If not, go check that video out. Linked in the description. But I also have the spinnerbait, and I have two, one's like a top water, one's not. But I think shoot, I forgot to get my hooks. But that's what I'm gonna use. So I will cut back when I get to that. Bye.
One eternity later.
Okay, so I'm probably not gonna be able to fish at this lake now. I gotta go eat breakfast because it's like 9, 8 in the morning. So I will go fishing when I get back at my house.
One eternity later.
Hey y'all, it's Hooked on Fishing back. So I got that blue worm tied. I think we're gonna give it a couple casts. If I don't catch anything, I think I'm gonna switch it back out for that spinnerbait. Because I've caught a lot of fish with that spinnerbait before. So I'm thinking hopefully you can catch a fish on that. But as of right now, I really want to try this wacky worm. So I am posting daily YouTube short comments or YouTube short content. Sorry. Like on my question of the day stuff, I might post 2 depending on everything. That's just how busy the day is. But most of the time it will be 1. And it'll be either morning, afternoon, or late afternoon on question of the day. But so yesterday's question of the day was, would you rather have, what's your favorite fishing drink or fishing snack? If not watch that or comment on that, please do. You don't have to, but you can do that if you would like to. And then today's was, would you rather have a really bad fishing boat or a really nice fishing kayak? Yeah, I think we're gonna change out that worm. Like, as much as how much action it gets, we're gonna change it out. Well, actually, one more cast. Send it. Also, if you've not voted on the 2 community posts that are out, please do. It really helps me get an idea what kind of content you guys would like. Alright. Yep. I think we're gonna do, yeah, we're gonna do that spinnerbait. So I will cut back to when we get that spinnerbait on. So hey y'all, we got the spinnerbait tied on, but a giant fish just jumped while I was not recording, so I did not get it on camera. But I think we're gonna try it. So we're just getting weird right now. That was a giant splash, and I know that was a fish. Well, actually could have been a turtle, but I know that thing was there. We got weeds there. Oh, that was a pretty bad cast, not gonna lie. And we're gonna work with that cast. We're hitting more weeds. I'm just hoping we can get that fish down. We've not caught a fish on camera at all, so I'm hoping that we get so, because that really that makes my day to get fish on camera. Also, I know that I was recording with the GoPro earlier in this video. That's gonna wait, so that's gonna be a while actually. I'm getting one ordered. The one that I was using today, I borrowed it for the day. I will be using it I will be getting one of my own. I just have to wait. Alright, we got no nibble there. No. Alright, let's see the spinnerbait. Guys, if I don't catch a fish, this might be a bad video then. I'm sorry about that. Got a really good cast there. Oh, wait a second. Alright, we're getting weeds. Oh, there it was again! There it was again! Oh, jeez. But the camera never picks it. We're gonna try that. We're gonna retry it. Send that. Though I think that might have actually been the muskrat. There's a muskrat around here in this area. We're attempting to trap it, but as of right now, well, that was a bite. That was a bite. But we're getting weeds. Come on. So this fishing rod is a strength. I don't know if I mentioned it, but it's a strength 6-pound test on it. Very, very like light line to say it. Yeah, light line is what I'm looking for here. There goes another car. Okay, we got another. Yet again, no guaranteed promises. It might be with weed. I don't know. I'm not. We gotta work that plan out, but promise, all of us boys will be in a video one day. And you've already seen Quinn. But no, that's just some weeds. Sorry. I got myself really, really excited. Oh man. You gotta get those weeds out. Just went flying at me there for a minute. Please, it really, really helps out the channel. We're only at 100 subs. Well, 100 and either 101 or 102. I can't remember off the top of my head. It's 100 something. My goal is at the end of the summer to hit 200 subs. So if we can get to 200 subs, that is not who I thought that was, but still good to be friendly. I'm going to continue attempting to catch fish on camera. Rather it be tomorrow, today, this week, I will attempt to catch a fish. Except Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. That I'm busy, but I might be able to film. But I'm not making promises. I will. Let's hit weeds again, guys. I'm sorry. Where my fishing spot is, there are a lot of cars that go by. So I'm pretty sorry about that. That was a little creepy. Okay, we're getting more weeds. I'm gonna try doing this a little faster. Oh, that was a bite. That was 100% another bite. Dude, they're just biting, but they're not. They're not willing to go for it. We do not have that much time left, guys. The weeds here are really, really big. The last time I was here, there was no that many. That was honestly a pretty bad cast. Come on, fish. Give me one. I'll be happy with one. Oh. Alright, we're gonna keep on trying. A little bit of a mingle. Oh damn, there it was again. There was a giant fish jump. We just cast out in that area. Hoping we can get it. Come on. That could be a bass. That could be a bass. It could be crappie. Maybe even a bluegill? I don't know. Oh. That felt. It's like if it's circling over. Gosh dang it. I do not want that there. We're gonna redo this one. You know what? I think today's view goal for this video would be like 10, maybe even 5. My crappie setup got, I think it was 30, I think? Maybe 30 or 20. I can't recall off the top of my head. But thanks for that. The woodworking video that had Quinn in it, which is one of the main guys on this channel. He's gonna try to do another video, but I think we're gonna. So basically, this channel's a little weird. We're called Hooked on Fishing. My main priority is fishing on this channel, but we're gonna do other stuff. Like maybe I put hunting in the description. Every once in a while, if all the guys are on, we're gonna do gaming. But that's every once in a while yet again. But oh, there it was again. Man, what is it? There's no. I don't know. Oh dang. It's a little low. Also, Vincent, which is also on this channel, he will also be on this channel. He got a fishing kayak. So I think if you guys would like to, maybe we might do some fishing kayak content. But that'll be when the water gets a little warmer. It's a little cold. It's a little chilly out. But a lot of people got their boats out, their docks, and it's probably a good time. Summer's just not starting to start here. Oh man, look at the sun. And I can see any fish. Keep on getting some weeds. might, I don't know. Oh, really, really close to my pencil box, guys. The sun is out right now. As of to me, it looks very, very beautiful because I got my polarized sunglasses. But I don't know if it actually is beautiful in your guys' eyes. But to me, it's pretty nice out. Man, they're just not going today. Reed's featured on this channel. He caught 100, no, not 100. Where did I get 100? Oh, that's a crane. He caught a 12-pound bass out of one of the local lakes here. He caught a 12-pound bass. But after that, I was at a baseball game and I got fishing. I just wanted to fish. I wanted to do that baseball game. I wanted to finish out that baseball game, but man, I wanted to fish so bad that time. As soon as he said I caught that bass, that 12-pound bass, oh, there was that jump again. What the heck is it? If you guys have any idea, what do you think that mystery? I don't know. Do you have any idea what you guys think that mystery fish is? Comment down below because I'm actually pretty curious because I don't know for myself. It could be anywhere between a bass. I don't know what any other possibilities are. There is catfish in this lake. I have a fishing app. Someone caught a catfish out of this lake. So, there's catfish, but I don't think it's a catfish. Oh, we're going straight. Also, while I might be starting some live streams, by the way, on YouTube and stuff. Just not in it. My fear is, on the other side of this bridge, there are a lot of weeds because they redid this bridge. They did not clean anything out. They didn't even clear all the rocks. They just left everything here. So my fear is I'm gonna get caught on something. I don't really want to fish there unless if I have a weedless, but I don't want to get the spinnerbait caught on something. I only have one spinnerbait because I lost one of them. Alright guys, I don't know. We might have to call it quits now for good. I'd say give her 5 more casts, and then this will probably be the end of this video. There's people swimming. They're crazy. It's... Oh, what month is it? I forgot the month. It's like April or something. There's people swimming in April. I don't know who they are, but geez, that is cold. Oh. Alright, we're gonna catch. Oh, it's deep for wind. If I take my glasses off, it does not look nice. I'm gonna keep the glasses on because then I can think it looks nice out, even though in reality, it's not. Alright, we actually got a boat coming up. So, Alright, this is gonna be the last cast. Bring us in a fish, baby. Come on. Anything? Oh, that was a little nibble. Alright, guys. Better luck tomorrow, baby. I wish that heat sometimes never really exists because you get so caught in it. Alright, guys. There's a bug on my phone. Alright. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Maybe I know that YouTube short tomorrow will be posted. I don't know if I'll do a fishing video. I don't know. Just stay tuned for that. Alright, and I'll catch you in the next one. This is Jacob from Hooked on Fishing. Goodbye.